Hey guys, we got Matt from Modern Realty Guam here, just doing a quick review for you on the island. We are at Onward Water Park here in Tamuning. So we'll go ahead and spin you around, show you a little bit about the place, talk about the fun that you can have as a family here. So we're in the central area. They have the full Tidal A pool. You can go out there, just get rocked, get on your float, try to stay up. Over in the back corner, I don't know if you can see it that well, but really cool half pipe. Just don't push off too hard. You can actually hit the top ledge up there. Me and my friend have done it. Multiple sets of slides up here. They're actually much more aggressive than they look. And then, I don't know if you can see the wires, but that tower right there, it goes all the way across. And there's a zip line. You can do it Superman style or sitting. It's actually out right now, but it was working last time we were here, so it's just down for maintenance. Over on the side, this is where you enter. So you got the 2 hotel stacks up top. You can stay here. It's pretty reasonable, pretty nice, but all the other hotels are right down the street as well. You can get day passes for the pool. It's usually $15 and $9, but on the high occupancy days, $25. But you can get passes from fundraisers as well. So you got information and rentals, volleyball pool. The lazy river goes all the way around the entire place. And then you have a full service bar with beer specials on the weekends as well. So all in all, great place. Lots of stuff to do for the family. If I didn't mention it before, the orange top over there with the trees and all that is the kid area. It's about a 1-foot deep pool with little mini slides as well. And then up here at the top, another set of slides that you can use on tubes. So super reasonable place. Definitely bring family, burn off some energy, you know, host friends, have parties, whatever. Yeah, another great spot on Guam. Again, this was Onward Beach Resort, Onward Water Park. So there's 2 separate parts. There's a hotel area as well. But yeah, if you like this, please smash that like, subscribe, and follow button. Again, Matt from Modern Realty Guam. Thank you.